I really did it. There is no leave out. Like, do y'all see any red? Ain't no red. You know why? Because there ain't no leave out. So these wigs, I know you've seen them. Them part, I part, no leave out. That's what they are advertised as. And they've been everywhere. They've been on my channel. And I've gotten a lot of comments on my previous videos doing these I part wigs and these thin part wigs where people were just saying, Amber, you didn't even try. You did not even try to do no leave out. And I thought, they don't know, because I tried before I even recorded this and I just could not get it to look good. But then I did some self-reflection. And I was like, could you try harder? I'm not afraid to admit that I can improve in some areas. And you know, I was like, you can improve in the no leave out area. Try again. So today, we're going to try again and we're going to get it correct. Okay, we're going to get it correct. We're going to come correct. And I'm going to show y'all that it can be accomplished. So let's do it. So the wig in question today is from Nadula Hair. It is a Kinky Curly unit, and I'm going to put all the details on the screen and in the description box below so you can have all that information. So I think I know how I want to approach this. I want to do the styling first. So it don't got to look perfect right now because, like I said, we just styling it. Ooh, okay, it already don't look too bad. So make sure when you are brushing, you are holding these clips down because you do not want this ripping your hair or pulling on your hair. Ooh, it's giving Shaka Khan, okay? When your mind is free, it's easy to make a decision. Now we're going to do the parts, okay? I'm just gonna do some readjusting. I'm gonna try my best not to mess with the curls. All right, so when I'm clipping, I'm gonna try to clip it as close to my part as possible. So what I'm doing is kind of combing the hair or pushing the hair towards the part so that you can't see those grids, okay? The grids on the net. I'm also going to take some of these front strands and kind of move their direction backwards because ain't nobody's hair just falling in their face like this. So we gotta make it look natural, y'all. So this is it. This is the final look and we did it. I really did it. There is no leave out. Like, do y'all see any red? Ain't no red. You know why? Because there ain't no leave out. There ain't no leave out. It's giving me Professor Carrie Milgram. Hold on. Let me give y'all a little close up. I want to thank y'all, not only for watching this video, but for criticizing me. For criticizing me so that I could become a better me and put my best foot forward and accomplish this no leave out method. So, of course, I will put all the details and information that you need in the description box below. I love y'all. Y'all are my people, and I hope y'all have an amazing day.